Hello guys, today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin dominance and USDT dominance. That too will get clarity regarding all season. Okay, so before starting this video, I'm going to review my previous video and my previous analysis. Okay, so here you can see on July 24, I clearly mentioned that place Bitcoin long around 1,16,750 dollars. Okay, on July 25, I clearly mentioned here close BTC once USDT dominance candle closing above resistance line. It means 4.39% is resistance line. And I uploaded this video and you can watch it on YouTube and Binance also. I clearly mentioned everything. Okay. After that, on July 27, I clearly mentioned again take Bitcoin long when USDT dominance around 4.35% is level. Okay. Here you can see, and I mentioned to take Bitcoin long from 1,15,750 dollars. That is our first entry, and our second entry will be 1,14,300 dollars. That is our second entry, and our SL is around 1,13,200 dollars. Okay. So what I mentioned here, I mentioned already we catched 3% move, but I think we may see 4.35% is level again. So place Bitcoin long limit order 1,15,750 dollars, and exactly happened yesterday. Bitcoin touched 1,15,700 dollars. Okay. Here I mentioned I think USD dominance will take support from 4.22%, then it will go to upside till 4.35% level. And here I uploaded about Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so here you can see again I mentioned to place Bitcoin long limit order around 1,15,700. Here you can see reset. Okay, because okay, here I also mentioned, remember we will long altcoin when Bitcoin dominance around 62.20%. Why? I will review. Okay, after some time I will analyze after some time why we will take Bitcoin dominance 62.20% is after toss. Okay, so here you can see Bitcoin yesterday touched his support 1,15,750 dollars, and USDT also touched his. Here you can see USDT also touched his 4.35% dollar. Okay, so you can watch this video. Okay, you can watch this video. I clearly mentioned everything related USDT dominance and Bitcoin related. Okay, so kindly watch this video on YouTube and Binance also, so that you can get clarity regarding our next update. Okay, so here I opened Bitcoin chart, Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Here you can see Bitcoin is forming a bullish flag pattern. Okay, bullish flag pattern, bullish for Bitcoin. But remember one thing, it need to break out the upward resistance line. It got three-time rejection. On July 18, Bitcoin got first time rejection. On July 23, Bitcoin got second time rejection. Recently, on July 28, Bitcoin got third time rejection. Okay, so 1,19,400 dollars will be a resistance for Bitcoin right now. Okay, if Bitcoin break out this resistance line and 4-hour candle closing above 1,19,700 dollars, then we are going to see 10% upside move in Bitcoin. That to trigger Bitcoin around 1,32 around K dollar around. Okay, so why Bitcoin need to break out this trend line, and how to confirm this? How we know Bitcoin is going to break out this? That's I'm taking on USDT dominance chart. Okay, here it is USDT dominance 4-hour time frame chart. Here you can see USDT dominance is forming a expanding triangle, that is bearish for bullish for USDT dominance. I know that is bullish for USDT dominance. Expanding triangle means bullish for USDT dominance and bearish for Bitcoin. But we can see here USDT dominance. Okay, got first time rejection around 13 July and second time rejection around 14 July and 15 July. Okay, so third time rejection around 25 July 2025. Recently, USDT dominance got rejection around 4.35% this level. Okay, it's happened on 13 July. Okay, so Bitcoin is forming a bullish spark pattern. That means USDT dominance is going to reject another time. Okay, so we may see a week around 4.44% is level. Why? Because if you look deeply, USDT dominance is forming a bearish flag pattern also. Here you can see from 15 July forming started. Now it got already three times support. On 18 July 2025 got first time support, and 23 July got second time support, and recently 28 July USDT dominance got third time support. Okay, if you look when USDT.DOM take resistance, okay, on July 17, USDT dominance bearish flag pattern got first time rejection. On 26 July got second time rejection. If we look it around maybe second, if USDT dominance break out this expanding triangle, okay, then we are going to see 4.44% level in Bitcoin, okay, sorry, in USDT dominance, and got rejection from that level, okay, 4.45% level. So first of all we need to put, okay, here you can see I already mentioned we are going to see, we may see again $1,15,000, $750 in Bitcoin, because okay, here you can see we may see this range if Bitcoin got rejection from this level, okay, $1,915, okay. So if you talk about USDT dominance, here you can see USDT dominance forming a bearish flag pattern, that resistance around 4.45%. But we have one resistance, uh, we have a resistance, we have a inverted, we have expanding triangle resistance around 4.35%. Okay, so if USDT dominance break out this resistance, then we are going to see a week till 4.45%, and candle closing closes below this range, okay. So like this, here you can see try to break out, but candle closing below 4.35, here you can see I clearly mentioned this, okay. I again mentioned if we break out this expanding triangle, then we are going to see a week till 4.45%, that to trigger USDT dominance around, wait here, and I'm trying to see like this, okay. So don't worry guys, just put, if you missed, then just put again $1,15,000, $750 Bitcoin long limit order, okay. So we are going to pump in Bitcoin, okay. If you talk about Bitcoin dominance, to get clarity regarding altcoins, okay, so here you can watch Bitcoin dominance is currently forming a bearish flag pattern also, like USDT dominance forming, okay. So we are going to see next resistance around 62.2069% level, okay. So we are going to place long limit order from this level, okay. For this level, because we have previously we got a week, okay. So we are going to put long limit order from this range, okay. And our SL, if for our candle closing above 62.70% level, then we will close manually, okay. So let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is forming a bullish pattern, that is also called uh, I don't, something bullish pattern, okay, but it's a bullish pattern. It's we are going to see, and Ethereum, we are going to see Ethereum around $3,640. Then we may see pump from this range. So we are going to put long limit order around $3,670, and our second long limit order around this support trend line, okay, $3,630, and we will close our long if Ethereum 4-hour candle closing below this trend line, okay. So if you watch deeply, Ethereum got first rejection on 28 July and 29 July, and recently 31 July, okay. So we are going to see a dump till this range, okay. So this is our Ethereum update. So let's talk about Bitcoin dominance again, okay. So look, again I'm saying Bitcoin dominance is currently forming a bearish flag pattern, that is bullish for altcoin, okay. So if we are not trading in middle of a pattern, so we will wait till this range, okay. So we will take only fundamental coin long when Bitcoin dominance around 62.25% level, okay. So we are going to put our second limit order around this range, and our SL will be 62.72% for our candle closing above. Means if Bitcoin dominance for our candle closing above this range 62.72%, then we will close our trade manually and just forget, okay. So this is all I mentioned. Hope you learn something from this video, and hope you enjoy this video. And please subscribe our YouTube channel Expert Crypto Free, and don't forget to share it with your friends, and follow me on Binance also, okay. So thank you so much. Hope you enjoy this video, okay. And don't forget to comment your favorite coin. I'll analyze your favorite coin also, okay. So till then, goodbye and have a nice day.